I, for one, really like parts that are very large, such as this part right here, because it shows our ability to scale up our FX tooling and provide parts for customers that need large parts. However, every once in a while we do have a customer that comes to us with a very small part. This part right here was actually for some herbs and plants, and they wanted a very small part, but they wanted a whole bunch of them. So traditionally they would go to a tool manufacturer who would probably look at the amount of parts they need and quote them a metal tool. Well, our FX tool was perfect for this because we were able to make a female and male tool, and the female tool was able to get a lip on the bowl shape, and the male tool was able to provide a nice tray. And once we hooked them up to our small vacuum forming machine, the parts actually came out really nice. The customer decided to use a very vibrant pink and blue and yellow color, and the trim section of the features came out really nice. And this is just a simple trim jig we designed using our high-speed router. The plastic bowl was actually just placed on top of the trim fixture, and then a horizontal bandsaw was used. The result was actually very clean, crisp cut lines that formed relatively easy when we went ahead and stacked all the bowls together.